looking for digital brushes to write Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that are new here and don't know who I am an Arabic calligrapher and self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube I help people learn Arabic calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And let's get started. So click on the brush icon, then the arrow, and then on the plus icon, and then it should say import. So what I've done is I uploaded my brushes onto Dropbox. So once you download it from my website, you can upload it onto a Dropbox, and then from Dropbox you can download it onto and import it into Procreate directly. I really hope this video brought some benefit to you, as I made this video to demonstrate how the brush is right before anyone makes a purchase. Let me know in the comment section below so I can make videos around that and tackle these problems. Like if you like this video. Make sure to check out the other awesome videos on this channel because I'm sure they will bring you value too. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, May peace be with you.